Hi, in this demo, we're going to show you communication between Reekoh Enterprise, which is located in the cloud, and the Aviva system platform with Recipe Manager Plus. From the system platform, we're going to initiate a web service call using REST JSON to Reekoh Enterprise. Upon receive this web service call, a pipeline will be activated to process the data from the REST JSON Web Service Plus. Based on the work order, the recipe and the formula will be retrieved from the IBM Maximal Services, and those recipe and formula information will then be passed back to the system platform Recipe Manager Plus using MQTT. Let's move on to the demo. So this is a setup on the OMI to show you that there are 3 instances of equipment in the Recipe Manager Plus. So each of these instances will be processed, the recipe assigned to the equipment instances. At the back end, I have configured a Reekoh MQTT connectivity, and as you can see from here, currently there is no recipe name and parameters information received from the Reekoh Enterprise. So at the same time, in the system platform, for each of these equipment objects, we have configured and developed a script to do the REST services call into the Reekoh Enterprise. So this script can be shown in the IDE configurations. So the script will allow the system platforms to formulate that it is requesting to the Reekoh Enterprise. So here, when the user select the equipment instance, so right now you can see that there is already a recipe of a name measure and add recipe assigned to formula bench 1. So the operator can choose to assign another recipe. So when you click on the assign button, the operator will see the list of the work order available for productions. So when the user select the work order and click on the submit button, the web service call will be initiated to Reekoh Enterprise. And the Reekoh Enterprise will then return via MQTT the recipe name and the formulas inside each of these recipes. So if I go back and look at the communication, you will notice that now the formula bench 1 has received the JSON messages from the Reekoh Enterprise. So from here, the operator can click on the assign button to assign the recipe to formula bench 1. And by going to look at each of the capability in the recipe, you will notice that there is a minimum value and maximum value specified in the recipe coming back from a Reekoh Enterprise. So this concludes the demonstration. Thank you.